Yo, yo, yo! We are live. Slightly running late, but it's alright. Lovely trade yesterday. How's everyone doing? Whoever's in here. Got 6 more. Moritz and Hubert. Hello, hello. Hope you are well. Let's start and get this chart marked up. Someone add me. I say YouTube might be better for getting new people. What do you think? Right. Oh, 6 minutes. I'm bearish, man. After sweep the previous day high and touch that 1 hour fair value gap. Good morning, light. What are you looking at, 6, by the way? Because if you're looking at EU, we haven't swept daily high yet. Right, let's mark up the day. I already know where my point of interest is if I decide to be bearish. Good morning, good morning. Yo, don't mean to disrupt, but why are you trading now? It's consolidation session. It's also high impact news day. Don't trade until 8:30. Manipulation kind of happens before that, and then NFP is only at 1:30, so you can still trade London session. Sometimes London will give you still good setups, sometimes not. So that's why I'm on the market just in case if it gives me a good setup. But yeah, I'm just trading London session. I won't trade until 8:30. I let the market breathe anyway. But you are correct, there is high impact news today, so you just need to watch out a bit. I could probably stream New York as well, but I would only start trading at, what time's NFP? 1:30. I would only start trading at like 2:30. But yeah, guitar life, that's why. Because it's still London, we still got a decent amount of time before before news actually kicks in. So we might be able to catch a quick scalp and then get out. Good morning Stanley. I saw your comment on my YouTube, I just haven't replied yet. It's definitely this fair value gap that's going to have my interest. But yes, I need to be a bit more wary because of the news we have today. Hopefully everyone's doing well. A lot of people did catch similar trades yesterday, which was nice. I know Moritz, you did if you're still here. 6 did as well. He caught a very nice one. Finally nice to come out of a losing streak. Let me add the Discord in the chat. Very nice trade. It's just jarring. I got stopped out by 3 pips, otherwise I would have been up on my account by a huge amount if that trade also played out. If anyone's new, join the Discord. That's just my personal Discord, just where we all chat about trading, etc., help each other out. But why are you bearish, 6? I'm bearish, man. After we sweep pre day high. Oh, what? After we sweep that, then you're bearish? Is that what you meant? Because I thought you meant it is, and like we've already swept it. already taken out Asia high here. So Asia high is now taken out. We've got Asian lows here. Yeah, if I take a trade during London, I'm not targeting anything crazy. We've got to expect to have a crap market today. We've got unemployment rates and NFP. Morning, Louis. If anyone has seen my new video, is my microphone alright? They're like staticky. Levi, could you turn your mic up? What about now? Is that better? That should be a bit better. Let me change this music as well.
I need to find the best way to learn math and science.
It's brilliant.org.
Video was good, perfect, yes sir, now great. Lovely, lovely. Yeah, we just swept Asian high. Preferably I would like to see what 6 did. Take out daily high, come into this daily fair value gap here. Is there any other type of fair value gap here that hasn't been touched? Not that I see, so. What were you closest to? Definitely in a downtrend. But did we even touch that weekly? No, we didn't. We just missed out. Hopefully we can touch it today. What's everyone else's bias? What's everyone thinking for EU? Daily high sweep then bearish. Yeah, it's kind of what I want. You might not get it, but we will see. Well, there is this fair value gap which price could come down to then. Tap, but in terms of discount range, well, we've already tapped into this discount. So let's go up. Daily discount. That one. Yeah, I want a daily sweep. I think I won't take a trade unless we get a daily sweep. Daily high sweep. I need to change that from pink. What should we change it to? Black. Green. Ooh, green's not that bad. Let me change that. This is what I'm aiming for now. Oh, I'll just show on stream. I'm guessing you haven't taken this trade though. But we'll see a PO. This could be pure control. Yeah, it could be. Sometimes what happens is if there's like NFP or like, yeah, NFP, London is purely just a consolidation. So. Well, you got SMT formed as well. No, waiting. Smart. What are you waiting on? What other confirmation are you waiting to enter? Start trading at 8:30 because it's like up until then we literally do nothing because we're just waiting. Because I don't start trading until 8:30. We're currently tapping back into a bearish 1 hour fair value gap. Am I tripping? Is this on GU you're talking about? Gotta be, surely. Yeah, GU. Yeah, EU we're not. Good morning. 5-min candle closed below my marked. Oh, okay, got you. EU, what hourly fair value gap? Oh, this one here. Sorry. Which also equates to a 30-minute one. Yep. That's why I entered my 2 trades off from yesterday. To be fair, I could have added another position here. 1 entry here, 1 entry here. Then, yeah. I could have. I don't want to be greedy coming off my loss. Yeah, it looks like we're struggling to break above these highs. Should I? I was debating whether to make a. Should I make a chat where we just show profits and losses, or should we just keep it how it is in the Discord? Louis got a solid trade yesterday as well. People actually use Ramsey. Ramsey just passed my first eval now. Road challenge starts. Like, I'm tempted to make a profit. You know, just like a dedicated channel for profit and loss that you show, but I feel like it'll make the Discord too cluttered. So, what's that? Inflation rate will do nothing. This will, yeah, it'll do a lot. Looks like we're actually selling off. Yeah, can remove crypto to be honest and create a channel names wins where you just push your. Yeah. I feel like no one really does crypto in the Discord. Crypto. We've had. Yeah, you're the only one really. And this other guy that hasn't been active since. So, alright, rebranding that. We'll names it wins/losses. We'll just do both. Win slash. You can't do slash. Just do that, and then what emoji should we use? Tick and X emoji. Oh, my bias is bearish. Oh, it's literally just win loss. Why can't I? What the fuck? Why is it so hard? Let me just. What? Right. I don't like that X. What emoji should I use for it? This one. Right, new channel, wins and losses. Post your wins and your losses. Just like screenshots of your P&L from MetaTrader on there. And then obviously we've got the Forex and indices. Chat still there. Hubert, how's your challenge going? We might, if we inverse this 5 minute, we could see a potential retrace to this 5 minute bearish forever league up. So we'll see. sell off. Keep your eyes peeled. You can see a potential setup already. Do we have any 15-minute fair value gaps? No. Any half an hour fair value? Yes, we do actually. We need to be careful of this. I lost about 0.6 yesterday, so I'm up to 0.4 in the total now. It was a stupid entry, I realised right after I took the loss. I need to work on my entries. What was do you have a screenshot of it? If you don't mind posting it in the Discord or DMing it to me, I'd love to help you out if you want me to. Unless you know where you went wrong. Liking this weak rejection back up. Looks like we're respecting the 5 minute, which is very nice. That's what I love to do. Trying to find some good music. Just so it's chill. But Hubert, yeah, if you want me to take a look, just send me a screenshot of it. We just formed a bearish fair value gap here. So now officially I'm into playing trading. So when I start trading. I think it's going to be a long day today.
Time
Right, hello, sorry I'm back. Ethan, are you looking for sales? Yes, but I know we're in an uptrend, so realistically I'm quite hesitant to take anything considering we have news as well a bit later. But overall my bias is bearish. Huber, I sent it in indexes. Yesterday's loss, right. I was thinking it might be a good point to enter short, even though it got to the fair value gap once already, so this trade was not necessarily, and I could have avoided that, but whatever. Oh, it's only on the 1 minute chart. Okay. Sorry to put you on blast. I've got bigger. I put you on my vertical. Now I'm putting you on my main one. I'm pretty sure a few people did take this trade as well, so I can see why you entered, but you said you knew that it was a dumb trade when you entered. We already hit the fair value gap once. Yeah, entering on the 1 minute, fair play, man. I hate the 1 minute. I only use it to enter. So like, let's say I have my confirmations on the 5 minute, so we're in a 5 minute fair value gap. I wait for a 1 minute, or like sometimes, very rarely, I'll scale down a bit just to get a tiny better entry, but never really. Just journal it and just literally write down what your improvements are. Good point to enter short, even though we got to the fair value already. What other confirmation did you get to enter short? The only reason I don't want to enter either is we've got this 30-minute fair value gap. Ethan, what are you looking for if you're still here? I want to know what you're thinking. This looks like it's going to invalidate. Oh, we are respecting it. I was just thinking we went 2% higher on the S&P on April, so I was pretty confident it might go at least a bit lower, but I was not right. Right, fair enough. I can see why you thought. What's the story in Baltimore? I don't even know if I want to enter. Because the odds of us hitting this fair value gap and just pushing back up are quite high. but we're also selling off quite nicely. What's that? That's a 18. We'll do 25. I think price will sweep previous day high, whether it's in London session or New York. Yeah, I really want the session high sweep of yesterday. We're close enough to do it. If I was to enter, it'll be around here. Target there. But yeah, Hubert, just log your trade. See where you went wrong. Just scale up on the bigger time frames. And just see. Maybe there was certain price action that you didn't see, or something that gives good reasoning why we were going to push higher. No SMT yet on cable, probably after the sweep. Yeah, I think we're all kind of waiting for the same thing. To be fair, longs isn't a bad option, just to up to daily high. That's actually not a bad chart. Little quick scout daily high. Yeah, man. Thank you. Long way for. Yeah, it's. How long have you been trading? I want to know. Yeah, we're def hitting previous day high, then selling off. Look at bigger time frame. We have a huge equal lows from previous day before. If it disrespects this 5-minute bearish fair value gap sweep, not hitting daily high C cable. What do you mean C cable? Yeah, weird. Definitely gonna hit daily high. Told you a little buy wouldn't be that bad. Oh, cable is GU. Oh, did not know that. Yeah, if you entered in buys, fair. I did call it little buys to daily high. See what happens. That's nice. clean. Someone said, yeah, we're definitely hitting sell off. Look at bigger typo. We have hit those equal lows from the previous day high. Where's our equal lows? Where's our equal lows? You talking about this? Because if technically it could be equal lows. Where's that daily? Oh yeah, to be fair, these two are the daily lows. They technically could be. Gotta start listening to my gut. Nice little push up. Very nice reaction, those. Tiller's tried to come in. Would love a pullback to the fair value gap and then a reaction to the inverse fair value gap. Would you enter? Would you enter if we tapped it? Oh, could potentially see your entry now. Just be careful, you got to expect crappy price action today. Do you see the hourly bearish rate that we're almost in? Yes, I do, Casper, but with low risk, the one from yesterday. Yeah, it's this one. Here. Yeah, I'm kind of disregarding that fair value gap in terms of we could sell off it from it, but not now. I'm waiting for the daily high to get swept. We're very close to the daily high, so we could full well have a sweep of it before we sell off. Good afternoon. It's already afternoon here in the Philippines. The sun's had its lunch and it's now. I really want Moritz, you literally getting your entry, mate. If you decide to enter. Literally what you asked for. Oh yeah, just realise your TP is below the fair value gap. Yeah, exactly. So this is the daily fair value gap, which we could potentially tap into. The 1 hour is here, which is in the fair value gap, but also daily highs there. So nice, Morris. If you entered, solid, because it's gonna rip now. So nice little 1 to 9, maybe a bit more actually. No, 1 to 9. See how this huge sell-off plays out. But we'll see how it plays out. Just under risk if you're gonna enter. I was specking out a Porsche yesterday. See how much one of my dream cars would cost. Oh, nice little rip, Moritz. Should have entered. Fucking hell. A little 1 to 9. We've got around 1%. While New York is waking up to trade, I'm over here trying not to draw on my keyboard. What should advice for you? Morris, if you enter this fair, I'm only going to risk half today. I don't want to risk more than that. Beautiful little play that was. Had a fair value gap and an inverse fair value gap. Pretty sweet, break a structure. Fair value gap, fair. Yeah, it did. Oh, not really, did it? Slightly touched, yeah, I get what you mean. Was really close time. Still a valid trade to take if you took it. I would have loved to taken it down here, but that's against my trading times. So we had a huge push up yesterday before we sold off. Yeah. Repeat of yesterday. Thank you for subscribing. Bro, same age. You're also 19. Was really close, so yeah, I'm really disciplined to things like good. You rather miss out on a winning trade than forcing a losing trade. Welcome, AK. If anyone's new in this stream, I've got a pinned comment, which is my Discord. Make sure you join that. That's just where a lot of traders come and we talk about our trades, help each other out, etc.
Some people may think I'm crazy, but I don't care. All that matters to me is that thing.
Literally, patience is key. But this is a lovely trade. Damn. As soon as we inverse, should have just. That's literally the trade of the day, right there. That's a good trade. Right, sells are coming into play now, probably in the next 5, 10, 15 minutes. Why has it changed? Yeah, I missed a 3RR or something like that. It was a long like this one, but wasn't confident to enter. Yeah, I get what you mean. If you're not confident, don't enter. Simple. Even though if it played out, it's annoying, but it's like, what if it was a loss and you entered off because you didn't want to miss out? Right. Dwiddling on my phone. Come on, I need some form of a liquidity grab, whether it's this. Like, if I entered here, stops. I don't want to go too crazy, so I'd only probably go there. 1 to 2. Let me mark 15-minute liquidity. Got that one there. Got that one. Got that one too, but I probably won't target that one. I'll mark it out just in case. We did technically take liquidity here. But the way price is moving, it's going to be a similar situation to yesterday. Pushing and selling. Maybe we missed the entry. Patiently waiting. That's real boring waiting. Have you seen this whole gorilla v men thing? like this rejection a lot. The only thing is, to make the RR worth it, I need to target down here, which I don't like. But it looks like Euro's the lagging index. So we could see a potential sell-off now. Actually, I know what. If this forms a bearish fair value gap, I'm going to wait for this entry here. Bring my stop slightly tighter. There's a 4-hour bearish order block that's just at the center of the daily. Fair. I don't really use order blocks, so. There you are. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Target on there. Are you a Forex trader? Yes, I am. And welcome to the stream. Already joined your Discord. Nice. What's your name? Sales would have been now. We're gonna dump. What's your name in the Discord? Absolutely ripped to the downside. GU has just touched a 15-minute, 30-minute, and 5-minute. If this holds, I would like to see a reaction. How's it going? Nothing really happened yet. Gonna be honest. You tell me about you. Are you a crypto trader? What? I'm asking what your Discord name is. Yeah, Louis, literally nothing's happened. GU is kind of selling off. EU is lagging behind. We entered sales, but I don't think we're going to get that luxury. So I'm going to see if this bearish fair value gap holds, and if so, I might enter off this one instead and just have my stops quite high, just in case we want to retrace back up. opt out of your original trade. What trade? This, I'm not in a trade at the moment. And are you going short, brother? Yes, I'm not in this yet. I want this fair value gap filled before I entered. I was debating to enter here, but I just didn't, which I think is going to be a mistake, if I'm honest. I should have probably entered. Liquidity sweep. We're tapped back into the 1 hour fair value gap. So if you shorted perfect conditions, yeah, unfortunate I didn't. Is what it is. If I miss out, I miss out. I'm not that bothered, I'll be honest. I had a rough week, the end of last week and the start of this week, and I made everything back and more yesterday. So if I don't get a trade, nothing. Wait, he's the fake account? No fucking way. If you're the fake, there's no way you're trying to fake my Discord or fake me. I've got nothing to sell. So I don't know why you're trying. Yeah, if you're the fake account, bruv, please go get a life. I've got nothing to sell, so I don't know how you're going to try scam people or even fake being me. So I should have entered. Fucking hell, we absolutely ripped. How much would that be up? 0.6, so around 2, like 180. Unfortunate, that is. No way, if that's actually the fake account, that'd be funny. time to... Okay, right. Now that we've got some sort of leg up, discounts there. Yeah, I still want this fair value gut feel. Entered. Nice. So, light is in. Wait, what's your... Entry is right around there. Maybe a bit higher, actually. It's right around there. Stops are... Where are your stops? Guessing probably around there. To be honest, not that bad of a trade. I'm still expecting us to push up. I think we just tapped into a 30.
Why my bad bitches pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay? He said he ain't fucking around. I look at him like okay. I used to be down bad, but now I'm a bitch okay. I'm pretty than a motherfucker. Hoes be looking okay. She think that she fucking with me. Is this bitch okay?
Midpoint of the week. Wick. Yeah, smart. I don't know what's playing. Let me just do that. Price comes out then fair. Yeah, fair. It shouldn't really come that high. I'm expecting price to tap into this fair value gap and then sell off even more. Yeah. Right, I'm back. I'm probably going to come off... Nah, I'll wait until the macro, actually. See what the macro does. Yeah, nothing much to do. got to really do something while we wait for price to come up to our key level. Like, what is there to actually do? Oil up. Because normally I just play video games, but that is so boring for you lot. Or I watch a YouTube video. I'll normally sit here and like watch TJR or something. That's what I would normally do, but looks like we might be getting this entry that I wanted. I just want a fast car, if I'm honest. My car right now that I want, that's sort of affordable, is a BMW. Would love a BMW. They're quick, but I want an M4. M model, I'm pretty sure, is a sport competition. What's the difference between a CS? Maximum M performance, 8 speed, maximum. Oh, so this one's slightly faster. That's it. But I want it black. I don't know if I would want a new M4 or an old M4. The old M4s kind of look a bit better. But then, I feel like it's such a drug dealer car. Well, I like the brown. Brown's nice. Blue, ugly as fuck. Anyway, onto trading, sorry. Tapped into the Fair Value gap. I'm tempted to enter. I like this reaction. What we do, we're buying there, selling there. Okay, we'll wait until we actually hit the 50% mark of the Fair Value gap. I don't want red. Red is so ugly. Can I look around? No, red's awful. Right. I want black. Come on, show me black. Blacking in Silverstone. That might look a bit nice. That looks. Bad. We'll leave it as that for now. I don't mind that. Interior trims. What does this do? Oh. Grey or black? Black. What the hell is this? Package includes a oh. We hit 50% mark. Surely that's not. Total price 107 grand. 1.5k a month. Actually isn't that much. Okay, sorry, let's look at this. Yeah, I would love a nice little M4. Because 1.5 grand a month is only 1.5% of a 100k account. If we disrespect this Fair Value gap, I'm probably going to hop off. Yeah, I think I'm going to wait until the high gets swept. We just invalidated this fair value gap. Invalidate that one too. Swept Asian high. Swept that one. Yeah, I think entry is going to be here. Got news at 10. I'll stay on for like another 20 minutes. I'll wait until, I think the macro's at 9:50. It's either 9:50 or 9:30. I can't remember. Oh, market is boring, boring, boring. Surprised there's still people here. There's literally nothing to watch. The market is so slow. because there's NFP on later today, so I genuinely think we just like the vibe of your stream. Thank you. Is it plugged in now? Yep. Okay. Is NFP later today, so price action's either gonna have good moves or crap moves, and as you can see, crap. We just like the vibe of your stream. Appreciate it. I'm gonna have to leave in a minute though, because I'm going to the gym. How many trades do you average a week? Oh. That's 5 trading weeks. At least 3. Uh, 15. Like 15 to 20. 20 if I'm just over trading. Levi, what do you do for a living if you want to share your... I literally just do part-time retail. I took a gap year to focus fully on trading, which I'm doing at the moment. And I'm trying to make this my full-time job as quick as possible. But yeah, the only reason I'm not going full-time into work or like uni right now is because I'm putting all my effort into this. Well, fair, that's quite a lot of people slate taking a lot of trades, but if they're valid, I think high frequency. Yeah, it's just different types of trading. So if mine are high, if it's high like frequency, like A-class setups, but I have more of them in a day. It's like yesterday I had 2 good setups, I took both. Well, people would say, oh no, that's not good, you shouldn't do that. It's all just different trading styles. Don't get me wrong, sometimes I do over trade, but I try not to. But yeah, I am enrolled for uni to start in September, but I'm trying to get trading off the floor so I can do that full time, so I don't have to go to uni. If that makes sense. should go to uni if only for this. Yeah, but the thing is, I don't care about that side right now. If I'm honest, all I really care about is trying to make trading full time, because I don't want to stay in the UK for much longer. I want to stay for a maximum another 2 years, and then I want to move to Bali for a bit, and somewhere in Europe. I hate the UK. Taxes are crap, culture's crap, government is even worse. I don't get started on the government. So I want to move to Europe and then Bali. Then after that, no idea. But I'll never live here full time. Probably Spain, Italy, somewhere like that. Somewhere hot. I don't want to. UK genuinely is so. Yeah, I just can't see myself living here. I do not want eventually when I have children to go here. Cyprus has made a low tax like 2.7. I don't care about the liveliness, if I'm honest. Cyprus, that's a good shout, you know. And Bali's just cheap. Like for a 3-bed villa with a pool and everything you can think included for 2.5 grand a month. Like, why would you not if you could? Right, I'm gonna go anyway, boys. Have a good day. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off soon as well. happening, and I want to go to the gym. So I'm gonna hop off here as well. I'm gonna obviously post updates of if I take anything, but yeah, I might come back for New York, seeing how price. Oh, you're going alright. See you later, Ben. Yeah, I think I'm gonna hop off as well. I need to. I've got gym. Yeah. I'll see you lot later. I might be back for New York. I'll see. But I'll keep updates in the Discord if I take anything.